Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to make a quick little video real quick. It's a cold winter. Just in case your furnace isn't lighting up or blowing out hot or whatever and you're trying to troubleshoot it. First things first, let's check the furnace, or let's check the thermostat and make sure that I'm trying to change the camera angle. Let's check the thermostat. First things first, check the batteries. Nothing. So say you check the batteries and the batteries work or whatnot. Come over here, and I had it off or something because I just replaced it, but most of the time you open up your furnace and there's gonna be a little status light, and you can look on there, and sometimes it'll tell you, one blink is for this, 4 blinks is for that, and so on. And you could Google, if you don't know what some of them things are, you could Google them. Let me go back over here and turn on my heater real quick, just so I can show you the proper how a heater is supposed to turn on. So I got it off. So let's turn on the heat. Let's turn it up to 73. So first things first is you're gonna hear this little blower fan turn on or whatever, and that blows all the carbon monoxide outside. And then you're gonna see the little igniter heat up under here. Let's see, it should be heating up any second. There you go. You see that little orange light? That heats it up so that when these gas valves turn on in a couple seconds, there you go. So the gas valves turn on, and my situation, which I figured out because the fire was turning off. So my situation is there's a thing called a flame sensor. It goes right there. Just one little hole. Basically what it does is it goes under there and it tells the flame to turn off when it's not sensing. When it's sensing the flame, it tells the gas to turn off so that you don't have carbon monoxide in your house. So those are the things to check when you don't have, whatchamacallit. First things first, make sure your blower motor is turning on when you turn on the furnace. Make sure the light's staying red. Make sure that little igniter is lighting up orange, and when the gas turns on, the flames turn on. And if the flames turn off, then most likely it's this little flame sensor. They're like $8 on eBay, Amazon, and they look like this. So there you have it. Hopefully I could get you to keep your heater on this winter. Have a good one. Later. Also, please, if I helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.